How to convert USDT to TON on Bitget wallet. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up the Bitget wallet application. Once inside, you can just go ahead and make sure that your Bitget wallet has a USDT to convert with. Right after that, you can just go ahead and click on this button right here. And now it will take you to this page. Basically inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the from address right here, and you want to click on the to address. So since we want to convert our USDT to TON on our Bitget wallet, you can just go ahead and click on to right here, and basically all you have to do is to type TON coin right here, and all you have to do now is to go ahead and enter the amount that you want to swap with. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.